Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Deel, a global employment platform that allows you to hire and manage remote employees from anywhere in the world. I've been using Deel for a while now, and I've found it to be an incredibly valuable tool for my business. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, is Deel free to use? I'll also discuss some of the other features and benefits of Deel, as well as some of the things to consider before using it. So, if you're interested in learning more about Deel, then please keep watching. Deel is not a free platform, but it does offer a free trial. The free trial allows you to create a company profile and add up to 2 employees. Once your free trial is over, you will need to subscribe to a paid plan. There are 3 paid plans available. Professional, $299 per month per employee. Enterprise, $499 per month per employee. Custom, pricing is based on your individual needs. The professional plan includes all of the basic features of Deel, such as global payroll, employment contracts, time tracking, performance management, benefits administration. The enterprise plan includes all of the features of the professional plan, as well as dedicated account manager, custom onboarding, advanced reporting, integration with other HR systems. The custom plan is designed for large companies with complex needs. It includes all of the features of the enterprise plan, as well as custom pricing, tailored solutions. In addition to the subscription fees, Deel also charges a fee for each transaction. The transaction fee is 3% for payments to employees and 5% for payments to contractors. So, is Deel worth the cost? There are a few things to consider before making a decision. First, you need to determine how many employees you plan to hire through Deel. If you only plan to hire a few employees, then the cost may not be worth it. However, if you plan to hire a large number of employees, then Deel can be a cost-effective solution. Second, you need to consider the features that you need. If you only need the basic features of Deel, then the professional plan may be sufficient. However, if you need more advanced features, then you may need to subscribe to the enterprise plan. Third, you need to consider your budget. Deel can be a relatively expensive solution, especially if you have a large number of employees. However, if you can afford it, then Deel can be a valuable tool for your business. Here are some of the benefits of using Deel. Saves you time and money. Deel automates many of the tasks involved in hiring and managing remote employees. This can save you a lot of time and money. Reduces risk. Deel helps you comply with local employment laws and regulations. This can help you avoid costly legal problems. Provides a global workforce. Deel allows you to hire employees from anywhere in the world. This can give you access to a wider pool of talent. Improves employee satisfaction. Deel provides employees with a range of benefits and perks, such as health insurance, dental insurance, and life insurance. This can help to improve employee satisfaction and retention. Here are some of the things to consider before using Deel. Cost. Deel can be a relatively expensive solution, especially if you have a large number of employees. Features. Deel may not have all of the features that you need. Complexity. Deel can be a complex platform to use, especially if you're not familiar with HR and payroll. Overall, I believe that Deel is a valuable tool for businesses that are looking to hire and manage remote employees. Deel is not free, but it is a cost-effective solution that can save you time and money, reduce risk, and provide access to a wider pool of talent. So, there you have it. That's everything you need to know about whether or not Deel is free to use. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.